Hi everyone, today meron tayong baking supplies. Ha! Kaya tayo meron baking supplies kasi mag-a-add tayo ng negosyo. Gusto kong maglako ng crinkles. Ayun. First is this one, canola oil, measuring cups, measuring teaspoons, all-purpose flour, ayan, powdered sugar, baking soda, iodized salt, another teaspoons, plastic packaging, baking powder, and last is vanilla flavor. So, pwede nyo rin i-follow yung second account ko kasi doon ko ipopost yung mga gawa kong crinkles. Ang pangalan ng ating second page is mga pagkain. Ayan lang. Maraming salamat. Bye!